Hi, welcome to mitox.co.uk. In this video I'll show you what comes in the box when you receive your Mitox 26LH-SP Select hedge trimmer, and also how to assemble it. We highly recommend that you read fully your operator's manual before beginning assembly. The operator's manual contains important safety information and full instructions on assembly. Your machine has a 40:1 two-stroke engine. This is the coupler, comfort grip and a throttle assembly. This is the attachment shaft and the hedge trimmer unit. A loop handle which attaches to the shaft, the fixing kit that comes with your machine, the mixing bottle and the single point harness. To assemble your hedge trimmer attachment, you'll need the hedge trimmer attachment and the shaft. The shaft has a comfort grip at one end. Ensure this end with the comfort grip is furthest from the hedge trimmer attachment. Remove the rubber cap and discard. The lower T25 Torx bolt needs to be loosened, and the one on the actual aluminium shaft needs to be removed. Insert the shaft so that the hole lines up with the hole from which you've just removed the Torx bolt. Check to see that you can see through, so both holes are aligned, and reattach the Torx bolt. Tighten this bolt securely with the T25 Torx driver. And then tighten the T25 Torx bolt on the clamp. This ensures the attachment tube is securely in place. Next, attach the front handle assembly to the shaft of the power unit. The front handle consists of a handle for your left hand and the J handle. The J handle should face to the left as you are standing behind the machine. You will again need the T25 Torx driver. The front handle assembly is attached using the 4 T25 Torx bolts supplied. Loosen these and place the top handle and J handle around the rubber anti-vibration mount on the shaft of the power unit. Tighten the Torx bolts a little in turn to ensure all 4 are located into the J handle section. Continue tightening the bolts until they are secure. If necessary, the bolts can be loosened and the handle moved up or down the shaft to the most comfortable position for the user. The hedge trimmer attachment can be adjusted into multiple positions. You have 2 black levers and the silver locking pin. To adjust the head, you should squeeze the 2 black levers together, but to do this you must first pull out the silver pin. Holding the black handle, you can then locate the hedge trimmer into any position you would like. Ensure that the silver pin is located so that the head cannot move. The hedge trimmer attachment can now be attached to the power unit. On the coupling, loosen the black handle. Pull out the locating pin and twist it left or right to lock it in the out position. Locate the hedge trimmer attachment into the shaft of the power unit. You may have to twist it to align the drive shafts. Pull out the locating pin and twist it. The pin is on a spring and twisting the attachment slightly will cause the locating pin to click into place. Tighten the black handle on the coupler.